Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you've been following along with my video series for absolute beginners, we are on step 8, and today I'm going to show you how to make a triple crochet. So if you have your chain sample here and your hook ready, let's get started. First off, we're going to yarn over twice for a triple, and we're going to insert into the 4th chain from the hook. So let's count back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's insert our hook into there. I'm going to pull up a loop. You end up with 4 on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. And that completes your first triple crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Completed another stitch. Just follow along with me. Insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. You're doing awesome. You've got this. Let's yarn over twice, insert into the next chain and pull up a loop, yarn over. You're going to pull through 2 at a time until there are no more loops on your hook. So that's 2, 2, and 2. Let's do it again. Just a few more here. Yarn over twice. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And pull through 2. Do it again. Yarn over twice into the next chain. Pull through 2, 2, and 2. Almost done here. 2, 2, 2. And that is all there is to the triple crochet stitch. Finish up these last 2 here for you. And that's it. You've completed a row of the tall triple stitch crochet. And if you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps me out, and I can keep making more videos that will help you. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Take care.